going to read how many amps is the consumption of the fan. Let me check where is the fan in this. Yeah, it's the breaker number 3. No? Okay. I select my multimeter in amps. Amps. I put the terminals, the common and the second one in amps. And now I am going to check one terminal here in the positive bus bar and the other one touching the breaker for the fan. No? In this moment the fan is off. The contacts in the breaker of the fan are open. It's off. With this I am going to close. And of course I am going to read the amps. 2.3 amps. Nice, no? Okay. I need interrupt the positive because the positive pass from the positive bus bar into the output. This is the output. Going to the fan. I need interrupt the positive, but I close the gap. I close the gap with my AND meter. In this moment, this is the AND meter. Okay. How can you do that in my backbone? I want to know how much amps are flowing in my backbone.
Where you have the fuse on the positive line? Is that line?
Okay, on the fuse could be. On the fuse could be. But this is the... What happens if you have 3 sources of power? In each fuse? No, because this is over there, or here. No? I need to know in the backbone how much amps are moving. I have one breaker for the source of power, but I need to know in the backbone. Remember, guys, that in the backbone you have a cable for data and cables exclusive for power. If I use that cable only, the positive and the negative, that cable will be exclusive for power. Yes or not?
Yep.
I have one here. Let me check if I have power. I connect here in the backbone.
Oh yeah.
It's constant power.
Let me check if I have voltage in this cable. I am going to check in between the negative and the positive, and I have 12.5 volts. I have 12.5. That's okay? Okay. Yes, this cable is good. But how can I measure the amps? I have this cable open, that positive open.
You create another cable.
Excuse me, I am going to pass for amps, no? Amps, 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 and I am going to read amps in between this cable, positive, and what is the other positive? What happens if I go to the positive of the battery, in between the positive of the battery and the backbone? Is it serious? Yeah, of course. And this is a real series, because it's really here in the backbone.
Okay.
No? I go to the positive bus bar in the panel, or to the positive of the battery in the back, and now 0.1 amps. 0.1 amps. It's good. How much is the maximum allowed? 8. In this moment it's low because I don't have the motor running, I don't have heavy equipment. 0.1. In this moment, this is the flow of amps in this backbone.
What about the power input in the computer? Can you do that as well from there?
No, over there I can measure the volts.
Just the volts?
Just the volts. Remember, it's difficult to understand that you need interrupt the cable to read the amps. That's the difficult part.
Okay.
That's the difficult part to understand. It's not in parallel, because in parallel I read volts. In any part where I have an open terminal.
screw that.
I connect my power cable, and between the positive of that cable and the positive of the breakers or the positive of the battery, I read the amps. And this is the real amps in the backbone. In this particular example, the battery is dedicated only to the backbone, to the electronics. In some boats, you use the house battery bank.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I am going to use the positive of those breakers, the positive bus bar, and the other end here in the positive of the power cable that I connect here directly.
Yeah.
This is the perfect way, guys.
That one. Yeah,
Nice,
kinda
no?
easy.